For this project, I'm going to be using all of these items as shown, and I'll try to put them in the description box so you can know all of the items that I used. For one single letter, I used 2 of the flat rate boxes. These you can get at your local postal office. They're free. You can take as many as you want. And you're also going to be your basic stuff like the gift wrap paper, your tape, scissors, and a stencil. And in this case, I'm using one stencil from my son's playing area, like those mats that are foam, so you can definitely use those. And to get started, I'm going to go ahead and fold one side of the box, and I'm just going to go ahead and tape it along so it can be nicely and secured. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the second box, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Do the same as we did on this first box, but remember not to fold one side. So just try to stick it in. You kind of have a little bit difficulty at first because it doesn't want to give in, but you can just push it and try not to bend it so it can be just really flat. And we tape it again. Now I'm going to show you the option of doing it with the gift wrap paper, and this gift wrap paper I got at the Dollar Tree. You are going to go ahead and lay down flat your box, and you're just going to be folding it like you're gift wrapping some gifts for Christmas. You can also use some poster boards of different colors, and you can get those at the dollar store as well, at Walmart. Hobby Lobby also has really cute and cheap ones, so you can also do that. I decided to go ahead and try the gift wrap paper first to see how it came out, and honestly it was really nice because it was really smooth. But this type of gift paper was really thin and fragile, so you can see some of the letters, as you can see here. Like those blue letters, you can see them through the gift paper. And I decided to go ahead and double layer them, first with the gift wrap paper and then with the poster boards. So it was, they did look pretty cute like that. It was more of a clean cut. So you can do either or with the gift wrap paper or with the poster board or double it. It's up to you. So this is the other option I was talking to you about the poster board. And for one box, I used 2 poster boards, and I went on and measured my box, and it was approximately 1 foot, which is a 12 by 12, and I needed an approximate of six squares for each box. For the next cutter, I just went ahead and measured it with the poster boards that I had already cut previously, and went ahead and measured that. Again, it was 2 poster boards for another color, and you can also, like I said, use the poster board or the gift wrap paper or both, whichever you like. I went ahead and used both. Next, I went ahead and got about 3 white poster boards, and I just did a cutouts of 1 inch by 12.5 inches, but they were too long, so I ended up cutting it 1 inch by 12 inches, and I just kept on doing that throughout my poster board, and I went ahead and did 24 of these cutouts for each box. So my cutouts are already hot glued. Now we're gonna need to put the letters in, and I did 5 letters per box. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave the top section of the boxes just clear, just blank, without 1 letter, because that's my choice, but you can go ahead and put 6 letters if you want. That is totally up to you also. And yeah, that's it, guys. Once you're on this step, you are done and ready to go. This is the final result of my letters. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.